Linda Hill. So when I was 26, I, together with my husband, started a restaurant, and I had the restaurant for 8 years. We had it. It ended in disaster. We failed miserably. We closed the restaurant without being able to sell it, and we lost our home and mortgagee sale and broke up our marriage. We ended in divorce. After that, I went on and let someone else have all the stress, and I worked in the corporate life for probably 25, 30 years. And then I decided to have a business again and had a commercial cleaning business. And I took that, in 7 years, I took that from a turnover of 1.5 million annually to 3.5 million annually. It was very successful. But I think if I'd had a business coach, I could have had both businesses way more successful. I was looking for a new opportunity because I had some huge things happen in my life. I had 2 friends die, and that really made me evaluate where I wanted to be in life. And I really had been enjoying in my commercial cleaning business helping people grow. The people underneath me were franchises, and I helped them grow their business and allowed them or enabled them to buy their first home or buy their second home. And it was really rewarding to see them grow and be successful. And I decided that that's where I wanted to spend my future. I had a good look online. There were some that were a job, working as a business coach, and I decided that I didn't want to have a job. There were 3 or 4 that were franchise opportunities. But really, honestly, what stood out for Action Coach was that the systems they had were so strong that I felt they would be the most beneficial to people and to me. Well, again, I go back to the systems. There's systems for marketing. There's systems for networking. There's systems for every part of a business. And I think if you follow those steps, there is no way that you couldn't be successful. It's a great roadmap. Biggest learning from training so far, this should be fun. If you're not having fun in business, then you're in the wrong business. And yeah, that is my biggest learning. What am I most excited to do when I finish training? Well, the marketing, getting out there and networking, really looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to helping businesses, especially struggling businesses, to really start building and growing and taking it to levels that they'd never dreamed that they could achieve. If I was talking to someone thinking about joining Action Coach, what would I say? Do it.